Welcome to ID Refusal Pro, a series dedicated to analyzing real encounters between citizens and public officials to help viewers understand their right to record in public and how to respond lawfully during police interactions. Today's video takes place inside a United States post office in Chicago, recorded in 2024, featuring an independent auditor and Sergeant Flores from the Chicago Police Department. This case centers on a dispute over filming inside a federal building and the First Amendment protections involved. Let's enter the scene and see how the situation unfolds.
Asking you to leave, they feel unsafe.
Ma'am, you don't have safe, unsafe. Why? Because I'm
They
recording?
don't feel comfortable with you.
Okay, but their comfort does not trump my right. I have a right to be here. Okay, their feelings do not trump my right to be here and record. I can't record in the post office? Why? Why is that? It's your policy that members of the public can record here? All right, I think you're wrong. Yeah.
Actually, that's federal law, and he's right.
Who's saying that?
I do.
Oh, okay. Well, I would challenge you on that. I have to explain to you why I'm here.
Because you put me on your camera. If I don't want to be on your camera, I'm letting you know I don't want to be on your camera or anything you put me on. So I'm asking you a reason.
You're in public. You have no expectation of privacy in public, which makes it public building.
It does make it public building. We can also ask you why.
Wow.
We can
Right.
also ask you.
I'm sorry?
We can also ask you the same way you feel like you can come in and report. The same way we can ask you why.
Yeah, you can. You have the right to ask me why, and then I have the right not to answer you.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
We need more federal regulation.
But it's ma'am, it's okay. That's what he wants. So we're just gonna leave him alone. Let him do what he wants to do.
I appreciate it.
Go ahead, sir. Just don't put me on your camera or upload me to any of your channels or anything.
I'm sorry?
I need you to stop recording or leave my field. I'm gonna call the police if you don't. There's no recording of post department.
Have you heard about Poster 7?
Call 911.
Do you have a Poster 7 in here somewhere? What's your name? Can I have your
Can
name?
you step back, please? That's me.
People doing transactions over there, man. You can't do
All
that
right.
close.
It's
I'm
all right.
asking you to stop recording. If you don't want to, I'm not going to go back and forth with you.
Okay.
But can you step back?
I am back.
Now, at this point, if someone asks you to stop recording because they don't want to be recorded,
Okay.
you should at least respect that. So I don't feel uncomfortable with you recording me.
I understand you do feel
So
uncomfortable,
you don't
but
even want to respect someone else's wishes on top of that. Whether it's postal policy or not, you're still, I'm going to record because it's my right. It's also my right to ask you. So
It
have
is.
some consideration and
it is. I appreciate you asking.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I appreciate you asking. But I am not here to record you. I am here to...
So why are you recording?
because you're speaking with me, that's why.
But I'm telling you not to record me.
Okay.
You say you respect my wishes, but you're not putting it down.
I never said...
You don't respect my wishes.
No, I said I respect what you said.
So you don't respect my wishes.
Right.
Okay.
Well, your wishes are great, but they don't trump my rights to record here.
What's your point of recording?
I don't have to
What's wrong with us asking
I don't
that?
have to explain that to
You
you.
don't have to.
Okay.
Why not? You're just in here. Like,
You don't know why I'm here. Where's your Poster 7?
Yeah, you dropping off, sir? Yeah. Oh, you can drop off right here.
Do you have a Poster 7 here?
I'm not responding to anything until the police come. And I'm a supervisor. I'll let you know that.
Okay.
And I'm not responding to anything until the police come.
Okay, not even your name?
No.
Okay.
Not even my name.
Sounds good.
USPS employees try to stop the cameraman from reporting, claiming an internal policy restricts filming. Federal law under Poster 7 clearly permits First Amendment recording in lobbies, foyers, and public access areas as long as the activity is peaceful and non-disruptive. The cameraman asserts this right while refusing to give a reason, which the law does not require. Staff discomfort does not override constitutional protections. Should public employees rely on personal feelings to limit a lawful recording? Viewers should consider how often internal rules are misused to contradict federal regulations.
You want to regulate the First Amendment?
No, I'm with you.
I appreciate it.
See, we need more government regulation.
Okay.
I'm not talking to those.
We need more government regulations to tell us what we can and can't do.
Exactly.
Our tax dollars paying for the facility in the
You,
first place.
you're exactly right, sir.
So just keep voting for more Democrats and get more regulations.
You're exactly right. We have the right to be here and observe our public employees.
But I think you better leave it.
Oh, it's okay.
We're going to have somebody in here we don't want.
Oh, it's all right. So it seems like they have called the police, and we will wait for the police and see if they uphold my right to be here or if they conspire to violate my right. No. Do you work here? Does she work here?
Hey, you guys lying. Anybody picking up, dropping off, you guys quick questions. I can help y'all with. Yeah. QR code.
You guys have just demonstrated why I decided to come here. I usually don't go to post offices, but I have heard a lot of bad reviews for this very post office and how they treat the public, and they have shown exactly why that is. Ma'am, you do realize you're a public employee.
Listen, don't
Right.
speak to me. Don't speak to me. I'll speak to you when the police get here.
I can speak to you. You don't have to. You don't have to speak with me.
Well, don't ask me anything.
Right. I can ask you a question. You don't have to talk to me. It's your Fifth Amendment right to ignore me. That's okay. Do you have cameras in here? I see a camera up there. So how come you have a camera and I can't have one? That doesn't seem fair.
It's not your fault.
Yeah.
Thank you for standing up to us.
USPS staff insists the cameramen stop filming because they don't want to be recorded. Yet First Amendment protections and Postal Service Poster 7 make clear that public employees in a public access area have no reasonable expectation of privacy while performing official duties. The cameraman reinforces this point, reminding them that asking questions is optional and that refusing to answer is legal under the Fifth Amendment. Their attempt to override federal policy with personal discomfort exposes a common misunderstanding: feelings are not law. Should federal employees be trained to distinguish internal preference from constitutional authority?
Ma'am, can I get your name? I saw you took a picture of me. Can I have your name? I heard you say you were the manager here. No? Okay. Yeah, so for the record, it seems like they've stopped serving people just because I'm here. I haven't seen one postal attendant helping someone for the past, I don't know, 10 minutes. So they've all disappeared from their posts just because I am here to observe public employees in the course of their duties.
Anybody know this is self-stamp?
Everybody's happy.
Well, whatever.
This is the lady that I think identified herself as the manager, and she's refusing to
I need you to leave.
give me her name. Okay, why do you need me to leave the building? Why? How am I? Just by recording?
Yes.
Just by recording?
Yes, just by recording.
Where is your poster 7? Do you have a poster 7 on the wall here?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Why not? How am I disrupting service? I'm nowhere near the patrons.
USPS employees abandon their counters and stop serving the public solely because the cameraman is recording. This reaction conflicts with First Amendment protections and the operational duties of public employees. The cameraman highlights that he is not interfering, which aligns with the legal standard of time, place, and manner restrictions. Recording is lawful when non-disruptive. Their refusal to provide names contradicts accountability expectations for federal workers. Should public services be halted simply due to lawful recording, or does this reveal a deeper misunderstanding of federal transparency requirements?
I see we're recording.
Hello.
Is there a reason that you're in your recording?
Can you
You're holding up the line.
can you identify yourself, please? Your name and your badge number.
Yeah, right here. Right here.
You can verbalize it.
You can take your picture. Right here.
I thought your policy says you have to verbalize your name and your
You're
badge
not allowed
number.
to record here. They want you to step out.
And why can't I record in here? It's
Government facility.
which makes it public, right?
Okay, why are you recording when you
Because
what do you need?
what do I need? I have to explain to you what I need here.
Yeah, what do you need?
Well, I have the right just to come in here and observe public officials doing their job, and that's enough reason. I don't have to have a specific reason to be here. I can walk in here and record public employees during the course of their duties. That's been established by law. So that's simply what I'm doing. And I also wanted to ask her questions about the Poster 7, which is supposed to be in every post office.
She doesn't feel comfortable answering your questions.
Okay, she doesn't have a choice. She's a public employee.
She has a choice
wait, she
not
will.
to answer
Oh,
your
yeah,
questions.
that's true. She has that right not to, but I also have the right not to ask my questions. She can choose not to answer them, but I can ask them. And as a public employee, she should answer questions. If
She doesn't want to answer your questions.
okay, that's fine. Okay,
She's asking you to leave. They
Ma'am.
feel unsafe.
ma'am, you don't have unsafe. Why? Because I'm
They
recording.
don't feel comfortable with you.
Okay, but their comfort does not trump my right. I have a right to be here. Okay, their feelings do not trump my right to be here and record and observe public employees in the course of their duties. So if you can explain to them that I have the right to be here, as granted to me by the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Okay, but they didn't even give me the opportunity to tell them what I needed. As soon as I walked in here, they were very aggressive. Get out of here, without even asking me what I needed, what I wanted. And I asked her a question: where is your poster 7? That is supposed to be on the wall at every post office. It's supposed to be on the wall. And she couldn't even tell me that, answer that simple question.
She doesn't know.
She should know. She's the manager
Okay,
here.
but she doesn't know, sir.
Okay. Well, if she doesn't know, that's fine.
Maybe she wasn't trained yet. Maybe she doesn't know. Maybe she just doesn't know.
Okay, well, I'm here to let you know you're supposed to have a poster 7 on the wall. That's why I'm here. I want to see what the rules and regulations of the post office is when it comes to when it pertains to the members of the public coming here to record.
Okay,
Right.
So what do you need? Do you need to mail a letter? Or do you need stamps?
Oh
What do you need?
no, I don't need any of that. I already told you why I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here to observe public
Right,
employees
and
in the course of their
there's
duties.
nothing on the wall, so
Okay.
you're making everybody here very uncomfortable.
Oh, not at
so
all.
They would like for you to leave.
By me standing
They would
here,
like for you to leave.
okay, there's so many things we would like
Do
to
you
do.
want attention? I mean, what is it?
It's not attention. It's not attention. I just told you.
She doesn't know the answer. It's not there.
Okay.
I'm sure she can arrange to
Okay,
have
well-
something put there. But
Okay,
right
well,
now,
at the-
everybody is very uncomfortable
Okay, but
with
at-
you in here filming, and
Okay.
they,
They
feel threatened by this.
feel threatened.
Yes.
How do you feel threatened? By my camera?
Being here, you and your camera,
Recording?
everything about you.
Okay.
Everything
so
about me is threatening?
I need you to leave.
She
What, can
feels
you-
threatened, sir.
Can you explain that?
No, she doesn't have to.
Okay.
She feels threatened.
Well,
Yes, I
well,
feel threatened and I need you to leave.
well, I'm telling you, she have no authority to ask me to leave a public place. The only way I can be,
She's asking you.
the only way I can be trespassed from public is if I break the law. I haven't broken the law by simply standing here and exercising my rights. So maybe what you should do is explain to her that she cannot tell me to leave here because I have the right to be in here for whatever reason. And now,
But at this
wait,
point,
can I
she's
finish?
feeling
Can I
threatened.
finish? And now,
She's feeling threatened.
let me finish. And now, one of the reasons I have to be here is I have to file a complaint against her. So I need a complaint form because I'm going to file a complaint against you, and then I need a FOIA form so I can request your information. So that's my business here now. So I need you to take care of that.
You need to leave because you are harassing me at this point,
Okay.
and I feel threatened by you, so you need to leave.
What you should be doing, Wilson, that's your name. What you should be doing is telling her that I have the right to be here and
Don't tell me what to do.
do what I'm doing. But apparently you don't know.
Don't tell me what to do.
Apparently you don't know. So you're either willfully ignorant or you're just
USPS staff escalate the situation by claiming they feel unsafe and order the cameraman to leave, despite no unlawful act being committed. Under the First Amendment and the time, place, manner doctrine, lawful recording in a public access area cannot be restricted based on discomfort alone. The cameraman clarifies that trespass on public property requires an actual crime or legally valid order, not personal preference. He also invokes his right to file a complaint, demonstrating structured accountability should emotional responses from federal employees outweigh federally protected recording rights.
Hi, sir. How's it going?
I'm good. Are you the sergeant?
Yeah, I'm Sergeant.
How are you?
Sergeant Oropeza. Go, how about yourself?
Good. What's your name?
Sergeant Oropeza.
What's your badge number?
1721.
Okay.
How's it going?
It's going great. Other than the fact that I was being asked to leave a public place where I have the right to be.
Okay.
Yeah, just because I'm recording and I had some questions for the employees, and they wouldn't answer my question, which is fine. They don't have to speak with me,
Right,
but
right.
they don't have the right to tell me to leave a public place as long as I am not
Interfering.
interfering. And I was just
yeah.
standing on the corner recording,
Okay.
which is my right to do.
Right.
They don't like that, so they're asking me to leave, and they don't have the authority to do that. So
They could ask you to leave, but you're right. You're absolutely.
Yeah, they can ask.
You are allowed to record as long as you are not interfering with their duty.
not at all,
And
right?
the public. You know, the public also has to feel safe.
Right,
while
but
you're recording.
oh, come on, Sergeant, you know better. Their feelings do not trump my rights. You know that. You're smiling about it, so you know.
But you know,
Yeah.
you get calls, and this is what happens.
Oh yeah,
right?
they can call, and then I expect you, as you seem
Let them know,
Right.
but at the same time, it's going to be explained to them.
Okay.
You know, once that order comes out that you're trespassing, you are allowed to record out here. I'm not going to tell you that you have to leave
in
the
there,
premise.
in there also,
But
in
if
there
they
also.
want to say that they want to lock up for criminal trespassing, that's a whole different agenda.
Yeah,
and
but-
we're trying to avoid all of that. All right.
Right.
So,
We're trying to
yeah.
we're trying to keep them from trampling on my rights. That's the
Okay.
most important thing today.
Okay.
To do here today. Because if they ask me to leave here, they don't have an authority. The only way I can be trespassed from public is if I break the law. The only thing that restricts members of the public from exercising their rights in public is a court doctrine that expresses or says, it says a lot about what you can and cannot do. Right. Time, place, and manner. Time, which means as long as it's open for business. Place, which means as long as I'm not in a restricted area. And then manner, the way I conduct myself.
The government building, I'm sure they understand that you are allowed.
Well, apparently they don't, ma'am. Every single one of them have asked me to leave. They don't understand that. And that's part of why we do this. I appreciate it. Thank you for being professional. Thanks.
Sergeant Flores arrives and immediately grounds the discussion in law, confirming that the cameraman has the First Amendment right to record as long as he is not interfering with operations. She clarifies that employee discomfort does not establish grounds for criminal trespass, which requires unlawful conduct, not emotional objections. Her response demonstrates the distinction between police authority and internal preference, reinforcing proper constitutional enforcement. How often do officers like Sergeant Flores bridge misunderstandings between federal workers and the public by restating the actual law?
She's right there. Sergeant? Sergeant? I think you're looking for her. She's the manager. I get it. I'm not trying to get anyone's private information. That's not why I'm here. And even if I did, that's not a crime. What's a crime is what I do with it. Gotcha. Right? I'm giving you the opportunity. Right. Actually, now that you're here, and after we finish here, and you let them know that I can do what I'm here to do, the only other thing I need is I need to file a complaint against her. So I need a complaint form.
Go onto their website.
Okay.
And you can do that route.
Okay. Right, but I can't complain. I can't put a complaint against her if I don't know her name. She won't even tell me who she is. Education.
You only get 20 days.
He isn't here.
20 days to process the lease. Because anything potentially happens, this is 1450. It's come for $100 in this bag.
Maria Estrada.
I'm sorry?
Maria Estrada.
Oh, I appreciate it. You've been very professional. I appreciate it. I'm going to come to you. Are you from the station down the street?
No, I'm not.
What station are you from?
19.
19, okay. I'm gonna come there and leave a letter of recommendation for you, because not every time that you find law enforcement officer that understands the rights of the citizens and actually enforces it. So you're a star, and I want you to know that. I don't.
Whatever it is,
just call me good citizen, or we the bosses.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stick around? Or can you walk out with me?
Well, I'll leave after you. Yeah, I'll leave after you. So I don't intend to be here all day. Yeah. So you've given me her name.
I've already given you your name,
Her
and
name.
I already explained to her that because it is a public place.
Okay.
You have the right to be here and record. Us as citizens also have to understand that in public.
You're a star.
Have a good one.
Take care.
You too.
All right, but I will still leave after you. Right.
Let me finish
Sure,
talking with her,
sure.
and then
You're welcome.
So this was only I'm recording. It happens to us all the time. So, right?
So, are you aware now, ma'am, that members of the public can record you while you're working? I'm not here to cause you any problem. I'm not here to make your life any more difficult. And your officers need to be educated too. Can you talk to them later? All right. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Maria.
Okay, so
Oh, so this is gonna be a different matter. This is outside from my opinion. Okay? So I'm gonna have to stop talking to you.
Okay.
Do what you have to do.
Okay.
And then this is gonna be
Personal?
something totally different. Yes.
all right. Okay. I can still record it, but I'll give you the. Yeah, well, you guys are in public, but I'm gonna extend that courtesy to you because you've been great.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
take care.
much. Have a blessed day. All right.
You too. Did you guys learn a lesson today? Have a good one. Yeah, I'm taping. Yes. All right, fellas. The ladies and gentlemen, I should say, the Sergeant Flores. She was amazing. She is what we're looking for in public employees, especially law enforcement officers. She does understand our right, and she upheld that right today, and we will commend her for that.
Bye, sir.
Take you too. All right. Mission accomplished. Now everyone in here knows. Just to do one last victory lap. That's it. You know, just a victory lap. That's all.
With Sergeant Flores reaffirming the legal standard, the manager finally provides her name, allowing the cameraman to proceed with a formal complaint. This closing moment highlights the value of First Amendment recording as a tool for public accountability and the distinction between lawful documentation and disruptive conduct. The cameraman emphasizes transparency while recognizing Sergeant Flores for applying constitutional policing instead of relying on internal preference. Should every public agency adopt similar training to prevent conflicts that arise simply from misunderstanding federal recording laws? This audit reinforces why ID refusal and public recording remain essential tools for accountability. The cameraman exercised his First Amendment rights correctly and earns a grade A for maintaining lawful, non-disruptive conduct. Sergeant Flores also earns a grade A for applying constitutional policing and clarifying trespass standards. USPS staff, however, receive a grade D for misunderstanding public access rules and halting service without legal cause. Lawful recording is protected, and viewers should remain calm, cite the law, and request complaint or identification forms when needed. If you value clear analyses on ID refusal, continue learning with ID Refusal Pro and support the original creator who filmed this event.